Alright, this is the sound clip. This is the sound clip you guys are asking for that new muffler, the new exhaust. So it's a ported intake manifold. I ported the top and the bottom, and it's a DC Sport short ram, but I converted it to a cold air with a 3.5 pipe and basic bolt-ons. But the exhaust is a Bosel Y pipe to a Bosel mid pipe to a HKS muffler that I bolted on. So let's see if I can get this going here. The new springs and shocks are coming in from Z1. I ordered some Tane springs with KYB. The deal was just too good, and the coilovers are just a little outside my reach for price right now, but we'll see how well this picks up on sound. Can't wrap it up too much, the neighbors will get pissed, but engine's pretty cold though. It sounds better once it gets warmed up like everybody else's. I gotta get this dash taken care of. I got a plan for it, and my new doubled in 9.5 inch I don't know, it's like a tablet style Android head unit is going in on. It's ordered, it's coming in. We'll bring sorry, I'm kind of scatterbrained right now, doing 5 things at once. But so yeah, I got that coming in. I took all the advice from what's that forum called, G35 drivers, and I got all the stuff for the controls for that. Damn, I'm like way zoomed in. I got all the controls for that, and anyway, I just bought everything that the guy recommended. They have a forum on G35drivers.com. Tells you everything that you need to buy. He keeps it updated, so I just went and picked up everything. He had Amazon links. So that's all on the way. And again, so we got the Tane springs coming in, S-Tech, and it's a G35 all-wheel drive, so G35X all-wheel drive. So those S-Tech springs, they are for sedan only. Damn, I really can't fit it all in there, freaking long ass car. But it's S-Tech and they're sedan only, but they will work. However, it's gonna make this ass drop a little bit too far from the reviews and the other guys that I've read regarding their installs on G35, and just the videos and pictures I've seen. So what I did to counter, and again, all forums and just listening to everybody else and their experiences, they just said just get an isolator that will raise up the back for that spring. So that's exactly what I picked up. I ordered that. That's on the way. It's a universal isolator for the back spring. It'll raise it up just a little bit more. So if that is an issue, then I'll just put that isolator in there and give it another 1/2 inch of raise to make that booty not squat so hard. But overall, she's looking pretty good. Some guys are trash talking. Well, they weren't trash talking. They're just shooting me a little shit regarding the 90 style rims. But you know what? I'm 40 years old and I like them. I like them a lot, actually. I like them more and more. But anyway, that's it. So I'll get some stickers with the KYB sticker and the Tane sticker and the Z1. They're sending me a sticker because I spent $500. So, all right, that's it. That's the update. She's looking pretty good though. I'm happy with it. The muffler sounds good. It sounds better when you get it warmed up, but for a cold start, I like it. And again, it's a Bosel Y pipe to a Bosel mid pipe. It was a Bosel muffler in the back, but obviously I chopped off the muffler right at from the pipe, right where the pipe meets the muffler itself, and then I bolted and clamped that HKS muffler, and that's fine. I don't hear any leaks. I don't hear any ticks. So far so good. It was a success. Oh, and I sanded and I painted the exhaust pieces, that Bosel Y pipe, and it's probably got a whole bunch of overspray on there. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Oh yeah, you're not gonna be able to see that. Sorry. Anyway, it's not very pretty, but I painted it with that high temp black paint after I sanded it all down. It looked super clean when I was done with it. I was happy with it. So it's protected. I know those Bosel units, they tend to rust, but that shouldn't be an issue anymore. I did 3 coats on it. I might have even done 4 coats, but they were relatively heavy coats, wet coats, if you will. So, yep, that's it. Oh, if you guys want to know how I got these pieces, I noticed some people complaining about where to get them and how much, if you try to buy them off of eBay, you only get them used, and they are taxing. But anyway, if you want those pieces, those strips, and they really do clean it up, just give it that nice hard line down there. And obviously I got the same down there, but you just get, it's a certain type of strip you need to get, and it's very specific. That one didn't work. That was my first shot at it. That one didn't work, and unfortunately they come in from China, so it'll probably take 17 months for it to get here. But when it does get here, you just get some silicone. It's clean off the back of the door where you'll be sticking it. It has 3M tape on the back, and you just stick it on there, and you could double up with some dabs of silicone, like maybe every 3 or 6 or 9, 12 inches, and that'll keep it on there. I haven't had any issues, and if I do, I'll just put more silicone. Oh, and it's super cheap. I think maybe $20 for the whole roll, whereas opposed to, god damn, it would have been like $200, and you would have been searching your ass off to get all 4 of them. But anyway, hit me up if you want to know more about those strips or anything else about the car. It's definitely not for sale. It's got way too much money in it, but paint job's looking really good, and I'm really happy with it. So this is the paint I used. You'll be able to see it. And I got some House of Color Clear, and that's not it, but it's up there. House of Color Clear, that metallic. All right, you guys have a great rest of your Sunday. It is beautiful outside. All right, God bless. Have a good day. Bye bye.